Hey guys, welcome back for the unboxing of box number 11. If my counting is still right, I think it's box number 11. Let's open it up and see what is inside this box. I'm seeing a nice variety of comics. We're starting off with issue number 1, issue number half, Wizard Special of the Red Star. Then we have an annual of the Swamp Thing, number 2. Fables, issue number 134. FF, issue number 13. And then we have I Am an Avenger, issue number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so that's the full set. And then we have Warlock issue number 2, Rome Space Knight issue number 13, Stormwatch, this is probably the second volume, I'm thinking, issue number 1. Then we have the Hero Premiere Edition of Bone, Holiday Special, Fantastic Four One Shot, and ROM issue number 60 and number 58. Then we have The Torch issue number 8 of 8, Machine issue number 1, and Torch issue number 7 of 8, Hero Zero issue number 0. Let me just put these right here. And then we're getting into some classic 90s Image comics. Youngblood number 1 and Wildcats number 6. Amazing Spider-Man 386. Ghost in the Shadow and Catalyst, Agent of Change. Amazing Spider-Man 382 and Cyberforce issue number 3. And 381 of Amazing Spider-Man as well, featuring the Hulk. Then we have Excalibur issue number 40, New Mutants number 78, Mighty Thor 448 and 449, and 450, which is a supersized edition. Spider-Man 45 and Spectacular Spider-Man 205 and Spider-Man Unlimited issue number 4. Then we have a Walt Disney Uncle Scrooge comic, Cross-Gen Primer, Captain America and the Falcon, or Captain America issue number 222 actually, Batman Kings of Fear issue number 6 and number 3 and number 2 and number 1. Infinity Countdown issue number 1 and Bug, The Adventures of Forager. No idea what that is all about, but let's see about it. Poison Ivy issue number 6 and Daredevil Ninja issue number 2 and number 1. Then we have a Green Arrow 11, part of the Brightest Day story. Weird Worlds issue number 5. Marvel Saga issue number 4. Motormouth number 1. And Green Lantern annual number 2. Then we have Iron Man issue number 260. Calls issue number 9. Madman and Why the Last Man issue number 21. Call issue number 7 and Spectacular Spider-Man 213. Then we have an Essential Elf Quest issue number 1. Call issue number 6 and Spectacular Spider-Man 154. Batman Annual 15. Call issue number 5 and to finish it off, Nomad issue number 1. That's it for this box, guys. Thanks for joining and see you guys for box number 12. Later.